Hello, welcome to week 14. I hope that you were able to get your data literacy assignment submitted last week. As a reminder, it was submitted to TK20 through the link in the week 13 folder. So I will just be posting your grades. I'll place comments in there, but your grades will just show up in the progress here. So if you have questions or anything, just let me know. I don't know how you'll be able to go in and look at comments if it's the same as you can in TK20. So just let me know if you have questions about it. So this week is week 14, and there's not any assignments due this week. We'll just be covering content over chapters 15 and 16. So just be sure that you read these last couple of chapters, that you have a clear understanding of the content from the chapters and take time to watch the video lectures. Chapter 15 does have quite a bit of content, so you may spend some time kind of going through that chapter well. And then you can finish up in chapter 16. So there's no activities or assignments or any supplemental readings, as it is Thanksgiving break. But do be sure to attend one of our live reviews this week. They will both be on Tuesday, and I've posted those in the news feed with the links to them. So one of them you'll be joining my live class, and one of them will be later that evening. So we will play a game, and I've offered extra credit for you to show up, and then also an opportunity to get extra credit by doing well in the game. So you have that, and then also I posted extra credit for a Flipgrid that's going to be due this Sunday. So read that in the news feed, and hopefully you can get those posted and get your review, because next week you will be taking your second exam for the class. So if you have questions, just let me know. Thank you.